Well, hey everybody, Leslie here. The question today is, what if you are lacking technically in your technical skills as a beginner paralegal, and it's something that is gnawing at you? I know it did me. And I went into the first job and I really was not good with word processing. I didn't know. Everybody was using WordPerfect then. I didn't know WordPerfect. I knew I had a Macintosh at home, and which was far easier than the computers in the workplace that everyone was using, as it turned out. And I was really so distraught over this, and I thought, who's going to hire me? I went to an agency and I took WordPerfect tests to try to, pass the test. I did training on the computer and then took the test, and I would not pass the test. I think I did that 3 times, and it was so alien to me compared to the Macintosh and what you had to do to just type. So I ended up in a job, my first job in a law firm, and I decided to up my game and go to a class at my local junior college for WordPerfect. And but now everybody since that time has switched over to Microsoft Word. And I was working in a law firm, and we were making the switch. So they brought people from another law firm in that trained us, and I wasn't impressed. I found it harder, by far harder than WordPerfect. But all of our clients had Microsoft Word. That's why the switch was made. And most law firms have made that switch because of that. So your goal is to become not only a basic user of Microsoft Word, but also up your game to an expert user, okay? And just go to YouTube, look for free classes, and make sure that you're taking the advanced classes. These are free. Just search for it. I don't provide links. Good paralegals know how to search, so that you teach yourself that. And find somebody you can listen to that's not annoying, and learn some advanced skills in Microsoft Word, such as table of contents, table of authorities, and merging, okay? And any other advanced skills that you can, figure out. Get a book on Microsoft Word, and, don't buy just any book. Look through it. What are they talking about with advanced skills? Teach yourself, and then get that on your resume, that Microsoft Word, basic and advanced, but don't put it on unless you do. And be sure to go to Paralegal Coffee Talk and look around. That is the Beginner Paralegal Resource website.